Ah, there we go. Now I can hear my thoughts.
What the heck? Wait a minute. Why does my voice sound like this?
Man, your voice really is strange.
What? Anyway, your challenge today's to beatbox. Trophy, you're up first. 3, 2, 1, go. Blue, Q, you sound like Mickey Mouse. You think my voice is strange, but you should listen to yours. Yeah. Your voice is so ugly, yep. Time for the remix. Alright, Blue Cube, it's now your turn in 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Yeah, I'm Blue Cube. Here gonna and you're stuck in a cube. Oh yeah. I'm gonna turn you to dust or leave you in a pool to rust. I'm the wind that something yeah. I'm a wind that something I'm around the world, and you are not. You're just a little old bored. I am Blue Cube. Trophy gets in a tube. I'm gonna turn you to dust, or leave you in a pool to rust. Blue Cube, yeah. Go to my TikTok account to vote on who won the beatbox battle. Anyway, here is my TikTok, and yeah, see you on 5.
You taught a lesson to me that I had to learn, and I'm so sorry cause you let our bridges burn. I said I loved you and I wish I never did. I swear to God, you stupid bitch.